us what you're about to do.
I'm about to put it up on the bumper. I don't fucking know.
Have you ever driven this car before?
Into the trailer and like
Around town?
Yeah, around a little bit.
Oh shoot, grab the chute.
Babe?
Why does his suit fit you very well? Is the real question here.
Well, I mean, look at them, they're the same height.
Right.
You never know who's pulling into the lanes.
We'd be able to win some races if I could just focus on tuning instead of driving too.
I'm about to put it up on the bumper.
Oh, snap.
I said I'm about to put it up on the bumper.
No, you're not.
For the gram. She's gonna do it for the gram.
Everybody pile in!
What do you have to say for yourself?
I'm gonna do it again.
There it is.
If you want, you could hit the green button, okay? As you pull second gear, you can hit the green button, okay? I'll give you a couple pounds of boost. Okay? So if it starts spinning, take your foot out of it, okay?
But the pass looked good. You left out well. I'm telling you, that one, did it feel good?
Yeah.
That's the fastest you've gone so far.
Yeah, for
Probably.
sure.
It is. No, I'm telling you, it is.
Sure.
You see them eyes? This is why my girlfriend loves me. Right, babe? This is why my girlfriend loves me. These eyes, this face, this personality. And I'm the owner of that dog. I bought him.
Yeah, but it's not gonna. If you look at, see how the shit you're blowing out of it.
Yeah.
That would